Hello, my name is Stanley Ugabwe and welcome to today's commentary on what is trending in Nigeria. This is the News Chronicle. So on today's edition, I want to start by asking a question. Is INEC afraid of Lere Olayinka? So in recent weeks, as one of their ways to sabotage people who are not supporting the APC, SCT Minister's aide, Lere Olayinka, shared details, details of Emeka Ike, Nollywood actor, and the screenshot that he shared showed that it is only an admin of INEC that can actually access such details. And following his post, a lot of Nigerians, many Nigerians have been coming out to say, how did he manage to have access to the back end of INEC? And some of us have been raising red flags about this and have been talking about it, asking questions. Now, in response to the agitations or the red flags that Nigerians raised concerning Olayinka's post, INEC came out to say that it was not a case of an external attack, that their portal was not hacked. Rather, it was an internal person who had access to the portal that would have probably given out such information. Now, INEC released that statement, quite a lengthy statement, without mentioning the name of Lere Olayinka, the person who is involved in this act. I repeat that again. INEC released a statement in response to this, a very detailed statement without at no point mentioning Lere Olayinka's name. And that's bothers some of us. And we're wondering, is it that INEC is afraid of this young man? Or it's a thing of, INEC is an arm of the APC where they try to shield people who are in the APC. And then INEC is saying, he's going to stick on it. And then we're wondering, how can someone do something that is in the public with his complete identity, and then you release a statement of their nation without at no point saying that, this person is being investigated or what have you? And then we're wondering what exactly is going on. And then that also reminds us that, of course, the current INEC chairman was indicted as being a member of the APC concerning his tweets before he was appointed the INEC chairman. Until today, INEC has not been able to perhaps give us a proper statement rather than the usual trying to defend who is theirs and what have you. But then the question that is coming is, election is perhaps 6 months away from now, and INEC does not seem to be credible. Why should Nigerians trust this body to conduct this kind of election? Why is Lere Olayinka still walking free on the street, having indicted or exposed INEC that, it can actually be, assessed by anybody, or rather by people who are working with or for the APC? Again, I ask, is Lere Olayinka above INEC? And how do we trust INEC to conduct another election, knowing that all of its actions and inactions are tilted towards the APC?